Have you created your annual budget? Let me share a simple yet powerful budgeting strategy. I use the 10, 20, 30 and 40 rule. It's game changer for managing your money efficiently while still enjoying life. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, Happy New Year to you. I am Jitendra Shrivastav, strategist for managing and protecting your wealth. Here is how the 10, 20, 30 and 40 rule breaks down. 40% goes towards necessary expenses. Think rent, grocery, utilities, basically your essentials for living. 30% covers annual expenses and major capital purchases. This includes loan repayment, annual insurance premiums, or buying big ticket items like a car, fridge, or furniture. 20% is reserved for investments. This is for your future goals like retirement, children's education, etc. And finally, 10% is all about enjoying the present. Use it for dining out, vacations, and everything that brings you joy right now. Why does this rule work? It strikes the perfect balance between living for today and planning for tomorrow. Too often, people either overspend now and compromise their future or save so much aggressively that they forget to enjoy the life now. What is the action plan? Let's talk about how to put this into action. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Use a simple spreadsheet to categorize your spending into these 4 buckets. Once you know where your money is going, you can adjust to align with the 10, 20, 30 and 40% rule. Let's take an example. Say you earn $30,000 a month. Following this rule, your allocations would be as follows. $12,000 for necessary expenses, $9,000 for EMIs and major purchases, $6,000 for investments, and $3,000 for fun activities. Simple, right? But what if your current expenses don't fit nearly into these categories? Don't worry, it's okay to start small. Even reallocating 5 to 10% can make a huge difference over time. Here is a pro tip. Automate your investments and savings. Set up a system where 20% of your income goes directly into mutual funds, retirement accounts, or other investments. That way, you are prioritizing your future goals without even thinking about it now. Let's talk about the 10% enjoyment fund. This isn't just for the fun. It's essential for maintaining balance and avoiding burnouts. Whether it's a weekend trip, a nice dinner, or new gadget, this fund is your reward for sticking to the plan. So, are you ready to implement the 10, 20, 30 and 40% rule in your life? Now, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. Budgeting is not about limits. It's about setting priorities. Save for security, invest for growth, spend on joy, and cover your essentials with confidence. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. I'll see you in the next video.